Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Imagine if you could gather real estate listings, analyze market trends, and generate detailed reports, all without lifting a finger. Sounds like magic, right? Today, we're making that magic a reality using n8n automation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an end-to-end automated workflow specifically designed for real estate data analysis. Whether you're a real estate investor, an agent, or a data analyst, this workflow is designed to save you hours of manual work. We'll scrape property listings, extract key details like price, address, and size, analyze market trends using AI, and neatly store everything in Google Sheets. From connecting powerful tools like Jina.ai and Google's Gemini chat to integrating APIs like SERP and even using a calculator tool for analysis, we've got it all covered. So if you're ready to transform the way you handle real estate data, stick around as we dive deep into the power of automation with n8n. Let's get started. So here's the structure of overall workflow. Let's start and build it from scratch. First, we need to add a test workflow node. This node is basically for executing the workflow. So our second node is going to be Jina AI node. So this will be a very useful tool. Here I will use HTTP request node. Our method will be getRequest. Next is URL. This is very important. So go to Jina.ai. Jina AI is a powerful tool that provides you different services like embeddings, re-ranking. But we are going to utilize the reader right here, and it's very simple to use. You don't even have to create the account. So just go over there, click on API key and billing. Here you will find the API key here, just copy it. Now go to the reader section. So the way this scrapes the website is all you have to do is append the HTTPS art Jina.ai to your URL. So put https://art Jina.ai now. I will go to the housing.com website. Here I will search a location. Here you can see all the listing to properties. I will just copy the URL and append this URL in my workflow. Next, provide the authentication. Authentication will be generic credential type. Now we have to choose the generic auth type. It will be header auth. Now here we need to create the new credential, and here we need to give the name to authorization. And in the value we have to provide the API key to Jina.ai. Now this node is complete. We will test this by clicking on Test Step. Here you can see in the output it has scraped the website and provide the raw data. Next, we need to extract the relevant information from it. For that, we will create the information extractor node. In this node, text will be data. Just grab the data from the HTTP node in the text. Schema type will be defined below. Here we need to define the input schema. I have already created my schema, so we'll just copy it and paste it. In this schema, I define many field which I want to get from the raw data. Now we need to provide the system prompt. So I can extract the relevant data which I mention in my schema. I have already created the system prompt, so I will just paste it in the system prompt. Now we need to provide the model to this information extractor node. We will utilize the Google Gemini chat model. We need to create the new credential. And here you need to provide the Gemini API key, which you can find in the aistudio.google.com. I have already connect before. Now this node is complete. Let's test it. In the output, you can see we are getting this nice JSON output here with the address, price, and all the information we requested. Now we will split the information because the output we are getting is just one output. Here we will split it to store this real estate data in the Google Sheet. Create the split node. In the fields to split out, we will grab the results from the extractor and put it in. Now click on Test Step. Here you can see I have split it in multiple items. Next, we will store this information in the Google Sheet. So now we will create the Google Sheet node. Let's create the new credential. Next, we will connect our Google account using the OAuth method. Resource will be sheet within document. Operation will be append row. Now we choose the Google Sheet where we want to store the data. Next, we will select the sheet. Here we will map each column manually. Now this node is complete. Let's test it out. Here you can see in the Google Sheet, I don't have any data, I have just the fields. Now here you can see the data has come in the Google Sheet. Now we will create the AI agent and name it Real Estate AI Agent. We will send the data from this information extractor to our AI agent, which will use some conditional logic based on the prompt that we provide, and we will provide the model and tools to our AI agent. Now agent will tools agent and prompt will be defined below. I have already written the prompt and I will just paste it. The prompt is about that our agent is real estate data analyst. It will analyze the market trend and investment opportunities. This agent will provide the weekly analysis. And I am providing the data below as a JSON object. You want to make sure to stringifying this because this is coming out as an array from this information extractor. Now we will provide the system message. Next, we will provide the Google Gemini chat model and provide some tools to this agent so I can have the access to Google search engine. For Google search, we are provide the SERP API. Just provide the API key of SERP API to connect SERP AI as a tool. We will give the calculator tool to our agent so I can do the necessary calculation for analyze the market. Now the node is complete. Let's test it out. Here is the detail analysis that are provided by the agent. And at the last, we will store these details as summary in the Google Sheet. Here we will create the update sheet node. Our operation will be update row. We will use the address field to match the record and store the details analysis as summary in the Google Sheet. Now let's test this node. Here you can see it has stored the summary in the sheet. And there you have it. Today, we built a comprehensive real estate data automation workflow using n8n. We started by testing our workflow, then integrated Jina.ai to scrape property listings, extracted key details with our custom schema, and split the data for individual processing. Next, we stored all this valuable information in Google Sheets and empowered our workflow with an AI agent that delivers market trend analysis and investment insights, all automatically. This powerful setup not only eliminates tedious manual work, but also ensures you have the most up-to-date insights at your fingertips, streamlining your decision-making process in the competitive real estate market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow real estate professionals, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative automation tutorials. We'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions in the comments below.